American comfort food, Mexican fiesta, Italian food, Filipino favorites, all-day breakfast, coffee and dessert bang hanap mo? Lahat ng yan ay matitikman mo dito sa Sit and Bull Restaurant dito sa Clark, Pampanga. Heto yung resto na pagpasok pa lang ay nakaka-good vibes na, very neat, colorful, maaliwalas at napaka-accommodating din ng kanilang mga staff.
Hello guys! Welcome to Sit and Bull Clark. Here you can experience to have an authentic meal which we serve like Mexican food, Filipino food, we also serve American foods, and our best seller here are Mexican foods. We also serve some pastries, cakes, and everything. You can have it here at Sit and Bull Clark Restaurant. You can search us on Facebook, like just type Sit and Bull Clark Restaurant, and thank you.
Sobra kaming na-impress with their Mexican offerings kaya din na namin pinalampas na matikman itong kanilang soft tacos with beef, cheese and fresh veggies at samahan mo pa ng masarap nilang pico de gallo salsa. Sob na sob ka din dito sa kanilang El Padre Burrito na napakalaki ng servings. Siguradong mabubusog ka dito sa kanilang 12-inch tortilla filled with shredded beef or chicken with cream cheese, Spanish rice, beans, onion, tomato and jalapeno na perfect with dipping sauce and salsa. And the cheese quesadilla were perfectly cheesy and satisfying. Beyond Mexican cuisine, we also enjoy their other specialties. Sino pa namang hindi matatakam sa kanilang pork loin with broccoli, mixed veggies, and mushroom gravy sauce. The pork steak with potato wedges was another winner. Ang lambot at ang sarap nitong pork steak at talagang na-enjoy din namin. Must try din itong kanilang Angus steak with Italian green salad and sweet corn. Malasa ang kanilang Angus steak at napaka-refreshing din ng kanilang Italian green salad. At isa rin sa nagustuhan ko dito ang kanilang SOS with brown toast and grilled cheese sandwich with onion rings. For a taste of home, hindi mo talaga matatanggihan itong kanilang beef steak Tagalog na masarap i-partner sa mainit na kanin. And to complement our meal, nag-order din kami nitong kanilang mango shake and choco frappe. Kung sweet tooth ka naman ay siguradong may enjoy mo din dito dahil sa dami ng kanilang selections of cookies, cakes, and other sweet delights na perfect din for pasalubong. So if you're looking for a great place to eat with your friends and family, Sit and Bull has something for everyone. Sit and Bull Clark Resto is located at Pavilion Mall, Rojas Highway Zone, Clark, Freeport, Angeles City. Enjoy mga senyora, mga tana!